The Sneeze, starring Azzy, Izzy, Illy, Naya, and King. On April 17th, 1981, an outbreak of sickness took over our neighborhood, and everyone but me, Naya, Illy, King were the only ones alive. We barricaded the windows and the door. We thought that we were all safe. Achoo! Someone has sneezed in the house. Who was that? I yelled while lighting a torch. When the torch was lit, Illy was scared out of her limbs. King was standing next to me, sobbing quietly. Everyone laid eyes on me, on Naya, then on me. I did it, Naya said. When I laid eyes on Illy, she was shocked to see that Naya was the victim. Is there anything else we could do? Anything? Illy said while crying. No, sadly, King said, looking away. We don't have any weapons, but I can maybe strong enough to Illy said, interrupting me. Naya, keep your head against the wall. It might be quicker, King said with tears streaming. Illy went up to the wall and tried to get her leg to the perfect angle. Azzy, turn off the lights, Illy said. Right when the lights went out, thud, there was a sound of a head hitting the wall. It was horrid, and blood went all over Illy's leg. That moment, everyone knew it wasn't Naya. Illy tried to get her voice back, but she broke into tears. What? King said while shuddering. I took a deep breath. I did it. I'm so sorry, I said when I broke into tears. King backed away and whispered no over and over again. King, you will have to. The lights went out and a crack sound filled the room. Illy grabbed the torch and lit it as fast as she can. King was covered with blood and his eyes widened.